Damion, and the secret of Flat Bridge. Long time ago in Jamaica, before big highways, GPS, and fast cars, there was a bridge so old and so strong that people still talk about it in whispers. Its name was Flat Bridge. Some people say it's just stone and cement, but old Jamaicans know Flat Bridge have history and it have mystery. In a small town near the Rio Cobre lived a curious little boy named Damion. Damion loved listening to big people talk about Duppy, River, and Jamaica from a long time ago, the olden days. One evening, as the sun melted behind the hills, Damion sat on the veranda with his Auntie Emmy. Auntie Emmy, he asked, why everybody slow down when them for cross Flat Bridge? And why it's so old and still so strong? Auntie Emmy smiled and rocked in her chair. You're too inquisitive, pick me, but me like it. She leaned closer. Flat Bridge older than your great grandmother. Them built it in the 1700s when horse and wagon did rule the road. Damien's eyes got big. You mean way before TikTok? Auntie Emmy laughed so hard. Way before TikTok, Damion. Damion scratched his head. But Auntie, why not have no railing? That seemed very dangerous. Auntie Emmy dropped her voice low. Them try put railing pon it plenty of time, Government try, worker try, everybody try. So why not stay? Damion asked. She looked toward the dark river. Every time them put it up, something strange happen. Big flood wash it away, storm bend it. One worker swear him ear singing in the night, like the river a laugh. Damion shivered a little. You saying the bridge no like fence, Auntie? Some people say that, Auntie Emmy whispered. Some say something live in the river. A few days later, Auntie Emmy carried Damion on a daytime trip to see Flat Bridge up close. She held his hand tight while they stood safely at the side and looked down at the shiny Rio Cobre. The sun sparkled on the water, and Damion stared so hard that his eyes started to feel sleepy. Suddenly, splash! A beautiful mermaid rose from the river, her tail shining like moonlight on fish scales. Only Damion could see her, smiling and waving. Evening, Damion, she said sweetly. Damion blinked. You real? She nodded. Some call me river fairy, some call me mermaid of Rio Cobre. Me protect the river and the bridge. The mermaid told Damion that when Flat Bridge was built, people prayed for it to last forever. The river spirits hear them, she said softly, so we bless the bridge. That's why it's still standing after hundreds of years. Damion touched the cool stone while Auntie Emmy stood beside him. But why the railing always gone? The mermaid giggled. Flat Bridge was made to feel the breeze, the sun, the people footsteps. When humans try to cage it, the river shake them off. This bridge belonged to Jamaica. Suddenly, the bridge started to hum like it was breathing. Tell them my story, the bridge whispered. Tell them my Jamaican history. When Damion told Auntie Emmy what he saw, she just smiled and squeezed his hand. Some stories choose special listeners, she said. Damion tell him teacher, him tell him friend, him tell everybody. Some people laughed, some people listened very seriously. But when the sun hit Flat Bridge just right and the river sparkled, people swear them ears soft singing under the bridge. And the children who love stories know Flat Bridge is not just a bridge, it's a guardian of Jamaica's past. Our land, rivers, and old places hold stories. When we listen and share them, we keep Jamaica's history alive.